Hello everyone, welcome back to PreyoPhonie. In today's video, we're focusing on iPhone privacy and security. Not tricks, not features, but real protection. Watch till the end, because the last settings are the most important. Let's start. Step 1. Turn off app tracking, your digital footprint. Path. Settings, privacy and security. Tracking. Turn allow apps to request to track off. Deep importance. Why this matters. Most users think tracking is only about ads. That's wrong. When tracking is on, apps can monitor your app usage behavior, link your activity across different apps, create a long-term behavioral profile. This profile can be used for targeted manipulation, data resale, predicting your habits. Turning this off means you regain control over your digital identity. Apps stop building invisible profiles. Your behavior stays private. This single setting reduces silent data leakage dramatically. Step 2. Location services, your real-world privacy. Path. Settings, privacy and security. Location services. Why location data is extremely sensitive. Location data can reveal where you live, where you work, your daily routine, your movement pattern. Even one leaked location history can compromise your safety. Professional setup. Disable location for apps that don't need it. Use while using the app. Avoid always allow unless it's navigation or emergency services. Your location is not a feature. It's personal security data. Step 3. System location services. Background tracking. Inside location services, system services. Why this exists. System services use location silently in the background. What to turn off? If unnecessary. Location-based ads. Location-based suggestions. Benefit. Less background tracking. Better battery life. Reduced system-level data sharing. This step cleans what users usually never check. Step 4. Hidden photos are not really hidden. Path. Settings. Photos. Show hidden album. Off. Reality check. Hidden photos are only hidden visually, not securely. If this option is on, anyone holding your phone can open the folder. Turning it off removes the album completely, prevents accidental exposure, adds an extra privacy barrier. This is essential if your phone is shared or left unlocked. Step 5. Face ID for photos and deleted items. Path. Settings. Photos. Use Face ID on. Why this is critical. Recently deleted and hidden folders often contain private photos, screenshots, sensitive media. Without Face ID, anyone can access them. With Face ID, only your face unlocks access. No accidental leaks. Full control over private media. This setting protects your visual privacy. Step 6. Safety check. When something feels wrong. Path. Settings. Privacy and security. Safety check. Emergency reset. When to use? Phone suddenly slows down. Data usage spikes. Too many permissions granted. You suspect unauthorized access. What it actually does, instantly stops all sharing. Resets app permissions. Removes unknown access. This is Apple's built-in privacy defense tool. Step 7. Manage sharing and access. Long-term risk control. Inside safety check. Manage sharing and access. Why this matters. Permissions accumulate over time. Apps you installed years ago may still access your data, track usage, share information. This section lets you review everything, remove forgotten permissions, clean long-term risks. Think of it as a privacy audit. Step 8. Notes. Show personal vault. Lock them. Open Notes app. Long press note, lock note. Why notes are dangerous if unlocked. People store. Passwords. Banking info. Personal documents. Unlocked notes. Open book. Locking notes. Adds Face ID protection. Prevents unauthorized reading. Turns notes into a secure vault. Step 9. Camera access. Visual surveillance risk. Path. Settings. Privacy and security. Camera. Why this is important. Some apps request camera access once and keep it forever. Risk. Accidental. Background activation. Privacy compromise. Best practice. Allow only essential apps. Review regularly. Your camera should never be always available. Step 10. Microphone access. Audio privacy. Settings. Privacy and security microphone. Reality. Microphone access allows apps to listen. Risks. Background audio capture. Voice data misuse. Control. Allow only voice-based apps. Disable unnecessary access. Silence unwanted listeners. Step 11. App privacy report. Transparency tool. Path. Settings. Privacy and security. App privacy report. On. Why this is powerful. This shows which apps accessed camera, which apps used mic, location access history. This gives you proof, not guesses. Check it weekly. Step 12. Control center lock, anti-theft core, path, settings, face ID and passcode. Allow access when locked, control center off. Why thieves do this first. Turn on airplane mode, disable eSIM, stop tracking. Turning this off keeps Find My active, prevents instant lockout, increases recovery chance. This one setting can decide whether you get your phone back. Step 13. Auto lock and passcode discipline. Path. Settings, display and brightness. Auto lock. Recommendation, 30 seconds or 1 minute. Why? Reduces exposure time. Prevents shoulder access. Protects unattended phone. Security is about habits, not just settings. Step 14. Make privacy a routine. Once every month. Review privacy and security. Check camera, mic, location. Review app privacy report. Privacy is not one time. It's continuous control. Final takeaway. These settings reduce tracking, protect real-world safety, secure private media, prevent silent surveillance, increase theft recovery chance. Your iPhone becomes intentionally secure, not accidentally vulnerable. If this video helped you, please like and share it with other iPhone users. For more simple, practical tech guides, subscribe to PreyoPhonie and turn on notifications. Comment below which setting you didn't know before. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video on PreyoPhonie.